Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. It's your boy Wupips, aka WuCrypto, coming in. CoinPro, the website is currently undergoing some massive upgrade and will be back online on or before March 30th, Friday this week. This is a week later than expected. Apologies for that. All issues relating to forks, withdrawals, and faucet will have been resolved. Thank you for your patience. If you need any withdrawals to proceed quickly. Please contact withdraw@coinpro.com. I really don't withdraw my coins. This is for the concerns for the people who had CoinPro. Just wait, be patient. You know, a lot of this thing take time. They do have to make maintenance, and there's also security purpose issues. But like, comment, subscribe. That's the crypto. We're gonna get some bitcoins later. I'll show you how to get some free Bitcoin. First, let's go over these satoshis. And then not Satoshi, these forex charts, you know, and talk about these pips. Yesterday we were talking about some downside movement. No, potential upside movement, if I do recall. Wow, BTC. Didn't I tell y'all? Like, what did I tell y'all? Patience. We did talk about upside movements, you know, the ideal. But look at that. That almost completed. This is where it gets tricky. Like, let's go on 1 hour. That's a big candle. That's a controlling candle. Control. Okay, boom. Boom, right here. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. Let me get this rectangle out. This engulfing is another confirmation for that downside motion. But right here, we might see a retest of some sort. Price might come back here, and this is the first level of resistance. Let's see what price does here. Second level of resistance, third level, and then this would be that last retest to continue back down. Or this could be a 61.8 continuation. You want to be double biased. I still, this is not considered broken technically until price closes above this, under this 100% Fibonacci retracement, because we want to use our Fibonacci's for tools to enter and things of that nature. But if price comes back up here, you know, do this 61.8, coming around this 23.6, continue to go sideways, even go to the 0%, even make this full retracement. It can make this full retracement because some people would think this is a broken structure. Let me take this right here. Boom. Like, yeah. See right here? And if this is a 61.8 continuation, we'll see price take forever to shoot back. Because how Fibonacci really works, these reversal PRZ zones, price reversal zones, that's what Fibonacci is used for price reversal zones, to measure the counter trend. Like, sometimes people are not aware what Fibonacci is about and what you can really do, you know, with the use of Fibonacci. So now that I have my Fibonacci out, I spotted this potential triple bottom. There is a lot of resistance over here in this area. Strong resistance. You know, resistance is still strong and still holding to be true. But what I want to get at real quick though is right here. If we go to the 4 hour, we're looking definitely at a lot of downside pressure. But this diamond right here, see, there's really no wick to make a wick to wick. So, alright. So what we're going to have to do here, have some fun. We're going to take off our support, our price action, support resistance, you know, because we know that resistance is there. We're going to use these zones. We're going to use these key levels real quick. This triangle, we're going to make it a bigger one, because we can even get a morning star here. You see, evening star, morning star, and it's crazy because sometimes patterns can go within other patterns, and then engulfings can engulf other patterns. Like, for example, here's an engulfing pattern right here, boom, that got engulfed by another engulfing pattern, but it took a longer time frame. What do you mean by that? All right, so let me show you this. Boom. This is a 4 hour. We have this engulfing right here. Boom. Let's go down to the daily. See that same highlighted rectangle? Remember, it was a rectangle, right? That was an engulfing. That was an engulfing going this way, right? And then, look, even another engulfing engulfed by a bigger engulfing. So patterns always, you know, can overpower one another in the sense of like, just because I entered in engulfing today doesn't mean that projected level is where it was headed. Like, don't get me wrong, this right here, I feel like how the market moves is gonna make a descending triangle, retest, come back up, and possibly continue back down. Who knows? But right now it's all a waiting game. But based off my price action analysis, a lot of downside pressure. Even though there's, you know, buyers still in the market right now, probably one of the best time to buy. Let's see if we can do this real quick. Cause I want to get a nice wick to wick, you know, like. Alright, cool. I think I found what I was trying to do. Let's make this shorter. Alright, this is going to be my point A. This engulfing right here. Even though I'm using this smaller engulfing for my zone. I should probably, there we go. This bigger engulfing. No, why I want to do this is because I believe right here, I'm going to put a pending order. I'm going to look for opportunities to buy, put a pending order. No, matter of fact, just put a pending order here to short. I believe that's where the resistance is at its strongest. Right now it's testing these levels of resistance. I see this going up a little bit. But hey, we're going to wait. Price has been holding true to support on higher time frame. If we go on the weekly, yeah, this is still holding. So this week there's no downside motion. Like right here is interesting because right here is that support. So when price gets around this level of price, we want to wait and see what happens. But it has been holding true. Exhaustion right here came back up. Right here there's a little bit of sideways motion, which price haven't really decided like, hey, we're gonna continue to go down. But if we look at the last few weeks, it's really been sideways. It went up and then it went down, and then it's hitting lows, but not creating new lower lows like that. So let's go back to the daily candle and see more of clarity. Yeah, so we have this sideways. We have this what they would call a rectangle. Yeah, this right here would be a rectangle. Let me go on a smaller time frame so we get more candles to work with, like 1 hour. That's a big rectangle right there. You see that rectangle? This is right here, a rectangle. Boop, boop, sideways motion. So price, we want to wait to see if price break above this or price breaks below that. That's why it's a rectangle and it's been going sideways. So we have a rectangle spotted on BTCUSD 1 hour. There's a lot of sellers in the market. I would think that a lot more people are looking to sell versus buy. You also want to be double biased. Oh, I didn't go fix this trend line. So in case we might find this bounce, this right here has been a nice channel, like right here. Nice channel. But this could be the bottom of that channel to get back up to this upside, because a lot of this price hasn't been tested yet. Like I said, this is why I believe that there's going to be buying opportunities soon. Wow, even the 4 hour didn't work out how I want to. Let's see if the 1 hour works out better. Somewhat. Boom. Yeah, price held true to that right there. Into the future, let's see what price does if it comes back and tests this line. But that's all I have for BTCUSD. Let's get to Ripple. Oh wow, that hit stop loss off rip, but that support came held to be true. That signal didn't. That was a loss. So let's delete that. Another one. 4 hour. Oh yeah, 4 hour. Okay, cool. It's at that support. I still think Ripple's gonna go up. Looking for buy opportunity again from where it's at is like really perfect. First take profit 38.2. Boom. This is what I kind of see based off my price action, looking at my daily charts, things like that. This is a triangle. I'm going to delete this right here. Delete. Delete. But these support and resistance that I do have, there's going to be a lot of upside motion coming soon. You see where this engulfing right here came and price is like stuck right here. This is that nice level of support and resistance, which I kind of put right here. Ripple can hold this price. We can see a lot of upside motion. A lot of upside motion. Alright, cool. So let me do this. Let me go back to the weekly because we want to do a top-down analysis. Looks like Ripple wants to go down, but it's going to test this support. We're going to pull out our fibs. Boom. It's around that 88.6. We can see that retracement. Come test this resistance right here. Boom. Come back down. This might be forming a morning star. Let's wait for the candle close. Let's go back into the day. Day is showing a lot of bearish movement, but this right here, the support seems to be holding up. If this support holds to be true, we can see upside motion. Once we see that upside motion, we can ride it out to this resistance right here, which would be around that 88 cents, 90 cents price range with stop profit, maintain orders. I'm gonna be going over this trade with you guys. The first one was wrong. Well, that was like my second. This is gonna be my third signal. And we're gonna see where it happens from there. Oh, let's go check out USDJPY. I didn't do no signals on that the other day, but I have been analyzing. I'm gonna be trading it. See a lot of bearish movement. Ride it out to that. I might have to change my Fibonacci up a little bit. Yeah, this I gotta take out. But we have been having a lot of sideways motion. Boom. Yeah. Market is going sideways. If this can break this trend line, I like to see more upside motion. Hopefully. And then we'll just ride this out. Let's go on to H4. Yeah, it's just a waiting game. It hit that zone, came. Gotta go see what it does when price gets to this level right here. Oh no, it is at that level. If it's gonna create a support, if it creates a support, I'm gonna buy and then probably ride out to these zones, cause a lot of levels still need to be tested as terms of resistance. So we're just gonna be going up and down. See you on the next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. It's Wupips, aka WuCrypto.